Sister-in-law of missing woman Maya Millete returned to the stand today where she testified about Larry Millete's behavior after his wife disappeared. She said he was unusually calm. Larry is accused of killing Maya even though her body has never been found. ABC 10 News reporter Laura Acevedo was inside the courtroom for today's testimony.
I feel like you're torturing me.
Frustration Wednesday afternoon from Genesis Tabalanza towards Larry Millete's defense attorney after spending several hours taking her questions. Tabalanza is Maya's sister-in-law. The day started with questions from the prosecution. She testified Maya moved in with her family in 2020 for a few months when she separated from Larry. She says Larry texted her often about Maya, as frequently as hundreds of times a day.
I count that correctly, it's about 199 text messages.
Then sharing how Larry told her he followed Maya to a parking lot where he saw her in a truck with a man, saying Larry approached the car and confronted them.
He asked Jamie, what are you doing here in this vehicle with my wife? And then May just looked surprised and she started crying.
Also an exchange where Larry said he would get the help of spellcasters to fix his marriage, saying he was desperate. The defense brought up Maya's alleged affair with a co-worker, but Tabalanza testified Maya never admitted to an affair. Larry's defense questioned Tabalanza heavily, frequently asking her similar questions about how involved Maya was with her children, if she ever caught Maya in a lie, and about those spellcasters. In the afternoon, the prosecution brought on one of Maya's supervisors, who testified he got several emails from Larry asking him to separate Maya from a male co-worker, saying Maya has, quote, gotten too personal with him.
It's very unusual.
Why?
I've never had an employee's significant other reach out to me for anything.
The day ended with Maya's brother, JP Tabalanza, on the stand, who testified Larry asked him if he knew someone who could get the guy Maya was accused of having an affair with, saying he was willing to pay $20,000. His testimony continues Thursday. Laura Acevedo, ABC 10 News.